So this you know how to select. It's okay to use the new oven to put all the values. It's fine.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
American English. It's better.
American English.
I want you to close the water line. Water line. Until you find the drain pipe. You find find the drain pipe.
Yeah, they find nandun was
See now you want
pin.
the USB. Without USB, what it happens is, see, I put the pin. Wi-Fi? No, not Wi-Fi.
That's
see,
one.
if I press,
The model.
this is the model.
Model
If I
CABC.
press OK, see here, USB key not found. USB key not found means the gas parameters as left has previous version. If you have the software,
Then you can update immediately.
no need to update. If you press OK, it will save the parameters. Even though now it will work, but it has to be done like eventually.
But we were no quite there, huh?
Why? It's there here.
Here now, there is
No, always there. Maybe you select. This is the Kuwait.
Region. Yeah. Kailangan piliin mo doon.
Which country you select always?
Maybe Asia.
Huh?
Select Philippines maybe.
Thailand.
This you know, year, the month you know.
Yeah. 220 sahod na eh, 28. 28. Rodelio.
Ano yung iniwan yung pressure doon?
Installer name and surname. What?
Rene. Rene. R-A-N-A. R-A-N. Pamira ka.
Installer company.
Mabruk. Hindi naman pwede Maryland.
Dati normal na tumatak ng mga 35.
And what about the customer name?
Siju. Siju. S-I-G-U. Siju. S-I-G. X.
Later you can edit.
Yeah. Edit.
Customer address.
Bangladesh. Kuwait. Same.
Guys in Kuwait and you go in Bangladesh.
You don't put business type.
Business type. No need.
Put already.
Put
But optional.
I put already. Okay, now
What's
G30
okay?
we have to select.
G30.
And it will ask you know whether you have already replaced the nozzle.
Nozzle.
Yes.
G30.
Now, if I press gas fume tested, it will start directly the oven. In order to check this one, we need this testo.
Testo.
I don't know if this testo is working or not. Believe me.
The sensor is not working.
Before.
Huh?
Hindi naman
It's
yun.
working.
I think
We
the
don't
sensor is
The sensor is the problem. Let's
Yeah, maybe.
see now.
We'll try.
Because we need to see micro C. Here we need to see two values, C1, CO2. As per this chart for this oven, it should be between 11.8 to 12.5. Oh, very good. Yeah, you just connect here and leave there outside. Just little bit. You have to wait until no issue, right? If the steam is coming more here, any issue?
No problem. No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Let's see. Later.
Just you will test. It's coming sound?
Yes, coming south.
Yeah, it's coming little sound.
Good. Ayun na nga, may tubig.
Now water coming.
Yeah. Now get steam inside.
Yeah. Steaming.
Saw the video, what he said? You have to wait until the saturation like strong.
Not
Someone
strong.
can hold this one. I'll put here. Come guys, come. Everyone come to this reading. See, now I'll put this one here.
Okay.
Now what is the value to show you?
good morning.
20.
Sergio.
No, not this one. CO2
Not
and
this one.
these two values. It's not working.
Yeah, not working.
No, the sensor is.
Maybe it's here 10.5 example. Then I'll adjust this throttle slowly, clockwise or anti-clockwise. If I rotate in anti-clockwise, I'll check whether it's increasing or decreasing. If it's increasing, I'll rotate more slowly, slower until it reaches to 11.8, between 11.8 to 12.5, and CO less than 30.
Now
So
we have Bolton.
once I reach this value, I stop it. Then I go for the minimum combustion. Once maximum is set to this value, minimum it comes automatic. So this is
Which oven we have?
this one.
This one.
Yes.
G30.
Yes. And
Then-
this is the values.
This is the value.
No, here is the value.
Here is the value.
Yes.
So minimum is 11.8.
8. Maximum 12.5.
Maximum 12.5.
Yes.
So increase the throttle or decrease to get this number.
Yes.
Okay?
And even this
And
one.
even this one, but this one it will if it's this one meeting this one, it's automatic, it will go, right?
Yes, exactly.
So the adjusting is just for this. The adjusting, we only adjusting this, but this one it's by
It's
default.
by
will-
default it once it default it goes
Okay.
here the value.
So change this one. Change from throttle, huh?
Yes.
Okay? Throttle.
You know, we just stop.
Open in which mode here? We do this and we do calibration test one.
Yeah, test one. See, here
Test
written
one.
test one.
Ah.
I press test one there. Again, test if these values meet these ranges. Test to automatic, it will come between these ranges.
Very good.
So we need to concentrate more on maximum combustion. So maximum combustion is the most important. If maximum combustion is within the value,
Then
minimum
this one-
automatic is in the value. So this is the where I think so in the most of the cases you are lacking in more carbon inside the chamber. And now see, now if you have connect this 3/8 inches, I think you would have risen more boom noise, boom, like Now if you connect 3/4 inches,
You don't have
you will
less.
have more less,
Less.
not even less, the smooth combustion, and you will get the value direct value you will get.
And there is a rating here ppm and CO2.
Yes, this once I check the values here, maybe it's 11.9. I put 11.9 there.
So we put the record.
We put without putting the values, you cannot go further. See, for example, now, hold this.
You are doing this in installation?
Yeah, they are bypassing. This is what I asked them. They said they will bypass. See, once I click, just will test one.
Why bypassing? Why just ask?
That testo, once I show the value, testo value. For example, someone don't know the value. They put like 35 because it should be below 30, right? And this one is as per our chart, it should be 11.8. I'll put 11.2. Okay. If I press continue, value is out of range. So we required exact values. So most of them they bypass it. Once we bypass it, we'll have issues. Not now. After
Later.
1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months.
We will have.
Then and CO2 and calibrate this value. Tell us no more carbon problem. CO is the one less than that is normal carbon.
Okay, guys, understood. It's very important.
Very important. Is it clear? You can remove. Be careful. It's very hot. Somewhere.
Put your tongue.
See, when you see WF, you have the service manual in the register website. You saw which I told you. In that you can find WF29, which is blower error. When you see blower error, this is the blower. Everyone knows this is the blower.
Yes.
Right? This is the blower. This is the gas valve. When you find a WF29 error, this could have been damaged. You cannot feel the air incoming from here. Now the air stopped. When you start the blower, there will be no air. This blower will never run. So that time you will get this error. This recently I had an issue in Qatar. It's a
change
big
blower?
It's a big oven. They have two blowers. It was showing WF29. One blower was not going. This was damaged. When we checked, we imagine like a couple of issues. Maybe while on floor standing oven, they clean the floor, right? They clean the floor. While cleaning the floor by using like high pressure, like shower kit something, they could have cleaned like this one, because there is a plastic cap here. The plastic cap. Maybe water could have dropped in and could have damaged.
Okay.
So one of the reason, or the higher voltage, because this oven, the maximum voltage can up to 260 degrees, 260 volts. If it's higher than 260 volts, then it can trigger the blower, the blower.
rewinding.
Yes. Okay. And this is the safety thermostat. Everyone knows.
Yes.
This safety how does this safety trips?
How?
How this safety can trip? How can it
When
damage?
it reaches to
Yeah,
higher
it reaches to
temperature.
higher. So the maximum oven is 260 degrees,
Yeah.
right? But this safety is 313 degrees. So we have the difference is 50, almost 55 degrees Celsius. Even at 240 this can trip. There is limitation. Even at 240 or 250 it can trip.
Oh.
What is the limitation is? Inside this safety we have a capillary tube.
Okay.
This which I said 315 degrees is at room temperature of the body.
Okay.
Now the body is normal
Hot.
temperature.
Yeah.
Normal
Ah,
temperature. So at normal temperature inside the probe, it will trip at 350. This body is increasing due to some reason. Maybe there is some hot cold switching here. There is no ventilation here,
Okay.
or something. The cooling fan is not working. This area is not hot. This body temperature or this every components are keep on increasing bit slowly. When
It
this
helps
increase-
to trigger the.
yeah, it helps to trigger at lower temperature
Ah,
inside.
okay.
So when this temperature increases, the probe temperature will decrease. And temperature.
Maybe in hand like that we have problem.
No.
Ambient temperature. Huh?
No,
Okay.
it's cold.
Okay. So this is the one. Then we have
First time I see this.
recently there was a
DC?
diode, the DC, diode rectifier. Before it was like the same wire inside. Now they replaced with this diode, because with this wire stuff we have like a couple of issues, which is because it converts 220 AC to direct DC. This wire we have couple of issues, so we're using this type of diode. This we can get even in local market if we
Yeah,
have.
it's common.
It's very common.
I know by that.
But the screw is not too much long and touching this also. It's
No, it's not.
not
But
professional.
it's okay. This is introduced recently in 2022 models. This
The first time I see.
yeah, in 2021 model, if you see,
coming
you'll see
direct.
the wire, the black wire, direct wire, the diodes in between. Okay. The most occurring issues, guys, in this, the gas oven, the gas blower issue, because of not proper combustion. And now he said too much of carbon is there. Too much of carbon. If you open this one, you can see lots of carbon because of
The volume of gas.
No, Hassan agreed to get 3x4 inches pipe. So install 3x4 inches pipe. Yeah, we should. It's good, huh? See now, even in half inches we are getting normal combustion. You imagine if we have 3x4 inches, you get perfect value. I'm not, the tester is not working. If tester is working, I get perfect value. I would have shown you. See, this is the value. 5 years, 6 years, the oven will not have any issues. Okay. Now let us go. See, in power cord, I think most of the troubleshoot part, or you have any questions in this? If you ask me any questions, because I have to start from starting AF01, AF02. You have any questions in this?
I don't have any issue for too much. Because the error for this one is just common.
Very common, yes. For all ovens, same common. AF01, motor, check the continuity, and the capacitors are weak, or motor is stuck, mechanical block.
But if the what you call a thermal sensor for this motor is gone, but the motor is still okay, you need to advise to change the motor.
I would adjust as a unox. I don't know what you should advise. I will adjust as a unox. You need to, because this is our protection.
Yeah.
You cannot loop and you cannot run the oven.
If not, if you will not, you cannot run the machine.
Yeah, you cannot run. You have to loop it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you loop, it will run.
It will run.
Yeah.
But there's
But
no
as
safety.
unox, I'll not say to loop it.
Yeah, because it's not visible. It's inside.
Yeah, it's not visible, I know. As unox, I will say not to loop it. As a Mabruk, it's up to you.
It's up to you. You need to observe your machine.
Okay. And second, then what you AF02. This is the AF02. AF03 temperature probe. You know,
Temperature.
like I said, two temperature probes. See, one there is black marking. One is there is no marking. Black marking is the one which is detecting the temperature inside the chamber.
Okay.
Okay.
The one
so
is-
that is the P1, P19.
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 Ah.
See, this is the one which is detecting the temperature inside the chamber. So if this one, how much the value should be this one?
I forgot already. But I
Don't
just,
forget.
I just follow the chart.
Yeah, chat. 25 degrees room temperature, it should be 110 ohms. 110 ohms.
Yeah, yeah, it's one thing.
So once the temperature increases,
will
resistance
increase.
value will increase.
Increase also.
If the resistance value is increasing, when you increase the temperature, means this is good. When the resistance value is not like as per the chart, then the calibration is wrong with the. That's why you get 25 degrees, 35 degrees difference.
Yeah.
Okay, you can find in Google the chart. Huh?
Yeah.
PT100, that's it. PT100 chart.
100.
Yes.
It's common.
Yeah.
But changing is easy, huh?
Very easy. No, really, I'm telling very easy. From there,
But the
cut the
wire
wire.
is-
No, cut the wire there. Remove the two screws in the probe. Plug it. Cut the defective one, and the new one. This black behind the port.
You want me
Put
to
the tape.
Put the tape.
And
But
slowly-
sometimes it's not. Yeah.
No, not a very long tape. This is how I change. Once you
Yeah,
put,
it's
come
right,
very.
but,
This one is not going very far. This one it's going. The sensor is here, I think. Here. Once you pull from here, it comes very smoothly. Believe me, huh?
Nadali mo nga yung nahiya sa pintuan eh, yan pa kaya?
No, I try to change the big one. I try to change the big one, but if you want to insert, sometimes it's
Tape
very
is
hard.
coming out.
Yeah, it's not. It's very hard to pull. From the big one,
Then what you did?
So I just find here. I use my hand, open the other side, use my hand. I try because I don't have any option.
For big boy, always little difficult. Big boy, take a help.
Sunod-sunod, hindi na niya kasi.
Take 2-3 members.
No,
Don't go alone.
We cannot go to time in that sometimes. But anyway, it's okay.
Okay.
Sunod din.
Then you have a door sensor. You know door sensor.
Door sensor.
When the magnet is
1 minute lang naman.
not detecting, it's not close. So you should find the continuity when you place near the magnet. When you place the near magnet, there is no continuity. If it's open loop, then it's defective. I think most of the things you know, guys, here.
Yeah.
But me little only.
In little only. Okay. And next, we have this is core probe. You know the core probe which we put the
Okay,
food
yeah,
inside. This one, huh?
The
This
green?
one is same.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
Here,
one?
This one.
Okay.
This one, blue is the white is the common.
Common.
From white, another all the colors. It should be 110 ohms.
1 to 10 ohms.
110 ohms. Okay. Next, this one. This from the transformer. This is the transformer.
Yeah.
It converts 220 volts. The gray is 220
To 20.
into the secondary windings converts into 21
21.
and 12 volts.
Okay.
See, there is two wires, yellow and yellow something yellow should be 21
Yeah.
or something
DC.
we can measure. Okay, DC. Okay, so this is if this can damage. When it will damage?
High voltage.
Yes. When high voltage will come?
Wrong connection and
Yes.
fluctuation of electricity.
400 volts.
Someone did any wrong connection by some customers?
Hopefully in a still.
Not yet, huh?
Maybe customers.